Now, first thing we're going to do is set up a Telegram API keys by creating our first app. Go to this link, I'll leave it in the description. So put your phone number here. Then, you will receive a verification code in your Telegram account. Just copy the code and paste it here and click sign in. Let's create our first app. Just enter any random app title and short name. Then click on create application. Just in case, if you were not able to create your app and you received an error pop up, just try to create it using Google Incognito window and it will works fine. So we will be using API ID and API hash to create our bot. Let me show you how. We'll use this tool for scraping and adding members, and it supports multiple accounts at the same time. It's an open source tool, you will find it in GitHub. I'll put the link in the description as well. First, extract the files. Open the file, go the path and type cmd. We will start by installing the necessary modules. Just type pip install, and add the name of the module. Move on to the next step. You can see here a text file about how to use this tool, and we will follow the instructions step by step. As it's shown, we need to type python-manager.py. We'll start first by adding new accounts. Type 1, and click enter. Here, you need to put your API ID. Also, we must enter our API hash. And type your phone number. At this point, if you want to add more than accounts, type Y. Where we highly recommend to do that, you can add around 5 to 10 accounts, so you don't face further issues or get your account banned. In my case, I just want to show you how the process works, so I'll type N. Retype your phone number here. The program will ask you to verify your phone number by adding the code that you will receive in Telegram. You can type 3 to check if your account was added successfully. Now, we have created our account. Type 5 to quit the program. Our second step is scraping members from group to a CSV file. In order to do that, type this command: python-scraper.py. Here, choose an account to scrape members. Alright, I think I found a target. All we have to do is adding the name of the group without the at. So we have 4 types of how we want to scrape members. For example, I'll scrape all the members, so I'll type 0. And if you want to separate users from admins, type Y, so you don't add the admins to the group too. It's your choice. As you can see, the program starts scraping all members. Let's wait a little bit. I think the program scrapped all the users. Let's check them out. Go to the members file, and click on members.csv. So we were able to scrape all the members, without any issues. And those are the admins. We're finally on the last step. Let's see how we can add members to your group. Type python-tsadder.py. Then, add the name of your group without at. For my group, I'll type Python Passive Income. Here simply, type the number of accounts you want to use for the adding process. As you can see, the program recommends us to put up to 10 accounts before running, because later, you may fall into a bug called peer flood error. So, the program will start running, and don't touch the keyboard for not ruining the bot. Unless, if you want to stop it, click on Ctrl+C. As you can see, the bots start adding new members to my group every 30s. One more tip, if you faced peer flood error, don't try to spam again, because you have made too much requests to the Telegram API, so in this case, you need to try later. That's why, working with 10 accounts, more useful for adding